Hey guys, I wanted to share a quick tip with you. So about 6 weeks ago, I went to pull my Husqvarna pull start after refueling it, and the pull start mechanism just came out and it wouldn't retract, and it just felt like something was broken inside. So I took it apart. This cover has 4 screws on it, and what I found was these little tabs. They look real cheap. Like, this part's good. It's like steel, pop steel or whatever. But these little things, this one is working properly. See, it's supposed to be spring-loaded right that. But this one just broke, and there's like a tiny plastic tab in the back that broke, which seems just really cheap. So I had to order a new one of these, and then I realized that the pull start mechanism inside the coil, I don't have it here because when I took it out, it just sprung open and it's like all over the place. But there was a piece on that side that broke as well. So I got this new piece off of Amazon. It was like only $11, not bad. But this part I had to order because nobody seemed to carry my model. I had to order from the Husqvarna parts website, and it's back ordered for God knows how long. They told me August 1st, and now it's August 11th, and it still hasn't even shipped. So I want to show you how I came up with an idea to actually start it with a drill. All right, so there's a couple different ways you can do this. I've got a 10mm socket here. Yep, 10mm. And that fits right on that nut right there, okay? And fortunately, it does turn, to start, it does turn in the clockwise direction, so that's awesome. So you should put your drill in the forward position. I just have this old extension. It's just a 3/8 inch extension that I cut the end off so that it would fit inside my drill chuck. They also sell drill chuck adapters that's like a hex shank, and it goes into a 1/4 inch drive. You can get one of those as well, but I just take this and I chuck it up in my drill, and it works just fine. Let me show you. You're gonna follow your normal starting instructions. So I'm gonna pull the choke all the way out like that. I'm gonna pump this bulb 10 times like they recommend in the starting instructions. And then where I would normally pull the cord, I'm gonna put the drill on there and spin it. And hopefully I can do this with one hand. Let's see. Okay, so you heard it start to fire there. So I'm going to push the choke to the half choke position and hit it again. Okay, so 2 things I wanted you to notice. One, it fired right up, which was great. Very little effort. I mean, geez, doesn't take that hard to pull with your thumb. But as you noticed, after it started, this spun off, because as soon as this starts up, this shaft is going to be turning faster than the drill. So this will essentially be turning backwards at that point, and it will de-thread itself, which is actually desirable. I purposefully only put this on hand tight because I wanted that to happen. And the reason for it is, now that I'm going around weed whacking my yard, I don't have to worry about this kind of propeller looking thing sitting back here free spinning, and it could hit my hand or something, which would probably really hurt. So I like that this actually just spins off after you're done, and then just put it in a safe place, and of course put it back on the next time you need to start it. I hope this helps y'all. It's certainly helped me because my yard was getting pretty nasty while I'm waiting for this part to come in. So hope this helps you, y'all. See you on the next one.